Good. Let the head fall more.
What's going on YouTube? This is Dr. Alex Tubio. Guys, thank you so much again for joining me on this week's chiropractic vlog. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button as well. And if you haven't followed me on Facebook or Instagram, please do so now as well. Also, same handle, Dr. Tubio, and you'll see it right down below. So before we even get even further, guys, I just want to thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. Honestly, I love interacting with every single one of you, except for the people that call me an idiot, but whatever. But I love interacting with all of you guys, so when you comment, I'm really trying to respond to everybody. So give me your thoughts on this video. Give me ideas on other things that you also want to see on this video in the comments below. Today, we have a new patient, and if you guys have been dealing with neck issues, which probably a lot of you have, shoulder issues, mid-back issues, guys, watch this video. Now, this patient's been coming in, this is his first visit, and he had a severe decrease in his range of motion, especially with his shoulder. His right shoulder was really restricted. He couldn't abduct his shoulder really more than 90 degrees. It was kind of getting stuck right here. Then on his left was good, but his right wasn't very good, and you'll see it on the video. Now, after we adjusted him, it was different. His shoulder was going all the way up, his left was going all the way up. So I think, needless to say, we definitely improved this condition. All right, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And without further ado, let's get to the video. Oh, cool. No problem. Good. All right, so thanks for coming. I do appreciate it. No problem. I just want to see, tell me what brings you in?
Really, my problem is I sleep on my side, always.
Yeah.
So my shoulder is always tight. My my shoulder blade, all those muscles feel like they're real tight up. Just my mid back too is real tense all the time. And upper neck. Just the basic problems I guess you hear all the time. But I think it's because I sleep on my side always. I always sleep on my side.
Is there any way to sleep on the other side or sleep on your back?
Yeah, sometimes I do. Like I wake up in the middle of the night and I'll turn over, but man, my shoulder's killing me. My shoulder blade's killing me. So
what kind of pain are you experiencing? Tell me a little bit.
Just like tightness and just like aching. Like bothers me just all day.
Every day, all day.
All day.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm a pipe fitter.
So what does that entail?
I work in refineries and plants and stuff. So it's labor.
It's labor. Yeah. Are you always like this, or are you down like this, or what's most of your life?
In uncomfortable spots, reaching. So it kind of plays into everything I do. So
yeah. So it's a little bit of both then. Yeah, I would say. So,
work and sleeping on the side all the time.
Yeah, I bet. What are your work days like? How many hours?
Well, I just got laid off.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, it's cool.
Yeah.
It's construction. So about 2 weeks ago. So, but before that, man, it was 13 days on, 1 day off for the past 6-7 months.
That's all. That's crazy.
It's how construction works, but it takes a toll on your body. I'm young, and I want to get better, man. It just sucks.
No, I feel you. I can see it. Like your right shoulder. If you stand up. Yeah. Stand up. I'm gonna do this so I can see. When I see you and I'm looking at you, your right side just from the get-go is forward.
Yeah, rolled way forward.
Yeah, it's rolled way forward. It's up a little bit as well too. Your head is also translated more to that right side, so I think there's just a lot of tightness, not only in the back but also right
upper neck,
as well too.
Yeah, and I look at myself in the mirror too.
Yeah.
And my range of motion in my right side is just not nowhere near my left side. So
bring your left arm all the way up like this.
Okay.
Good. Bring it back down. Same thing. Keep your body straight, and then bring the right arm up. So it gets hung up right there. Yeah.
Here it's hung up.
Yeah.
Right here in the trap.
Right in the trap. Do the left side again all the way up. Good. Do the right side.
Yeah, right there. It starts getting
so it just gets hung up right there. Okay. Have a seat. Yeah. I can see. Totally, can definitely see that.
I won't be in the way of that?
Oh, no, you're good. Even if you're in the shot.
Let me make sure,
You're good? Yeah. You want to do some push-ups first?
Yeah. Pumped up.
So this is that area. This
Mhm.
starts to move like this, and then it just hangs
Yeah.
up right here. So we're going to be pushing this back. Now I know a lot of it's on that right side, but
Yeah.
for every action, equal and opposite reaction, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
So we're going to start right here. You can feel it. All right. So just relax. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Good. Relax your shoulders a little bit more. Look up a tad bit. That's it. Oh. Wow. That was a deeper pop than it normally is, but it's just because this part right here was just stuck. And you can feel it just right in through here.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah. And then that's good. So let me see here. Yeah, so I want you to stack, come on top of your shoulder a little bit more. Good. I'm going to position you. Don't try to help me or anything like that. Just become like jello.
I got you.
Scoot all the way forward this way. So this right here, this is attacking the lumbar portion.
Okay.
Okay? So you're not going to fall. Don't try to position yourself or anything. Just let it hang. That's it. You can feel that there, right? So I want you to take a deep breath in and let that out more. Good.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Wow. It's crazy, man.
You're gonna go on your other side, face this way. You do all right?
Yeah, that's good. It's crazy.
So this one, I'm gonna have you bend again, just like this, forward this way.
Okay, I got you. I trust you.
That's it. And I'm gonna push right there. All right. So take a deep breath. Exhale. Relax your stomach. Let it go. Let it go. Good. How's your back feeling so far?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Hold just like that. You're gonna roll with me this way. So right up here, right between that shoulder blade, like we were talking about. Good. Push this down. All right. So deep breath and let it out. Let that go more. Tuck your chin a little bit.
Oh wow.
You all right?
Wow, that was crazy.
And then one more. And let that out. That's it. Good. Good.
Dang. That high one moved everything.
Yeah, that high one moved everything.
Yeah, that was crazy.
The second one was more for like, just to make sure we got everything.
Good measure.
Good measure. And then what I want you to do is do the same thing that we were doing before. So raise up your left side.
Oh, okay.
Good. Right, and the left one. The left one.
Left one?
So the left one goes a lot higher.
Yeah.
Do the right one.
It's
It's like getting stuck like right there.
Right there.
Right. So get you on your back again.
Okay.
Have you always had shoulder?
Yeah. Always.
So this is, we're gonna get a little bit lower.
Okay.
Okay. You can feel how that kind of just tightens up right there. So all you have to do, just relax as much as you can. This is gonna be a little bit harder of an adjustment just because I have to get so low,
That's fine.
right? But it'll be good.
Alright.
Relax just a tad bit more. Let that go. That's perfect.
Oh yeah. That was good.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And now put this hand right behind your head just like this. I'm gonna take my hand.
Okay.
I'm gonna go underneath. So there's a little bit of a hold up. And that clavicle. That's it.
Oh. Wow. That's crazy, man. I needed that so bad. I feel like my shoulder's just lower.
Yeah. Go ahead and sit up again. But stay right there. Don't move your shoulder just yet. So let's see what the difference is. Good. So bring up your left side again.
Okay.
Good. Bring up your right side again.
Dude, that is crazy.
Yeah.
Wow. That's insane, man.
You're a little rosy.
Yeah.
You know?
That's crazy.
Got some things moving again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Cool, right?
crazy. That clavicle one, man, it felt like it just dropped my shoulder. It's crazy.
Which is so. I might mess up your hair.
No, they're good, man. Don't
So
even
turn
worry.
all the way like that. So let your head just relax more. Good. I'm gonna put my hand just like this. the shoulder relax. Let everything relax. See how like it's you're just kind of holding a little bit more. That's it. Good. Let the head fall more.
Oh. Wow. That's crazy. That's where I felt all the tension, man.
Yeah.
Exactly right there. Wow. That's crazy. I feel so much better already. Already.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's so cool, man. Thank you so much.
Of course. All right. So you're gonna lift your head all the way up. Okay. This is kind of shocking, right? Obviously you've seen it.
Yeah, I've seen it.
But you just gotta let your body relax to get the full effect. Still doing okay? Take a deep breath in. Good. Just relax. Bring your arms up a little bit.
Oh. Wow. That was everything.
That was everything.
Everything. From the base of my head all the way down, dude.
Yeah.
That is crazy. I feel like I can't even breathe better.
That's a part of it. Seriously, that's a part of it.
Wow, I can take a deep breath.
Was it hard for you before?
Yeah. It felt like like when I would take a deep breath, it would just shrug up and just tense up. Gone. That's crazy, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Wow. Yep.
Get those deep breaths in.
Yeah. Dude, that's... Man, dude. Literally, like, I would take a deep breath and I could feel everything tensing up in my... Like, in my ribs and in the back part, obviously, but... That's so crazy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's so good.
Perfect. Good. All right, so... Tell me how you're feeling.
Dude, like, brand new. Everything that was tight before is just gone. My whole upper neck, gone. It just feels so much better.
That's good.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Man.
Bring up your left shoulder first.
Alright.
Good. Bring up the right shoulder.
Yeah. So much better. So much range of motion.
Yeah. It's a lot better.
It was getting hung up like right here. I could feel everything just getting hung up. Yeah. Wow. It's amazing. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it so much.
Yeah. You're all set, brother.
Thank you so much. Wow. That's insane, dude. That one right there.
That's
that one, man. I won't even say anything else. Just wait till you feel it.
You're gonna let him experience
it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so crazy. Thank you, man.
Yeah, I mean, you look like you're a lot more relaxed. You look like...
Yeah, I can feel like everything that was tender is like kind of wanting to release. It's just crazy, even in my low back. Even when you did the Y strap, I felt it down here too.
Yeah.